So I play with different progression, different melody line. On different keys. So about today I will be teaching you on how to play with substitution. Now your normal do re mi fa sol la ti do chord is this. Now you are going to try something new. Now you are going to be doing this. This is your do mi sol. This is your do mi sol. Now I will be holding different chords on my both hands. Now this is do and this is your mi. You can octave your mi, you know, make it an octave. Then start from so nice voicings. Now I am going to show you how I did it, how I came across this. Now, this is your do, your re, your mi, your fa, your sol, and you realize that when I'm coming to this la, I changed my left hand. So this is Mika. So whenever I'm playing, I use this chord to harmonize what I'm doing, to harmonize what I'm playing. I can make an arpeggio out of this. So I can make an arpeggio. 1, 2, 3. You hear me? There now. So that's the passing chord for another day. But you can see, I can still play it on B. This will enable you play on all the keys. This will enable you play on all the keys faster. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.